Okay, it should have disappeared by now.
Shit, we're going back. Okay.
Should have disappeared by now. Fuck that. Now he's over there.
Are you gonna leave, John?
Only in Clan Wars.
Wait, John, are you in their clan?
Troll.
John.
That's some trolling right there.
Are you in their clan?
What?
In their clan?
Nah.
Shit.
Jailbreak gave Asian Boy level 1 goblins. Fuck. There's not that many rooms in this bitch.
There is, we just keep going in circles. That's the only bad thing.
You can't handle your voice too gorgeous.
Where are you guys?
John, shut off your light and run! Shut off your light and run!
Why?
Shut off your light and run! Logic trying to find us.
I saw you guys.
Oh,
Hello.
fuck that. I'm running this way then.
Fuck, my leg went on. Too tired and I can't tell if I'm running into a wall or not. I hope I'm not.
Hi, you guys. I'm behind you guys.
Listen now. God damn it. Where the...
That's not me. Fucking bitch, you'll find me no matter what.
Not if we dip them, but...
Where the fuck is this? Fake shit. Crap. I will.
I don't want to play GTA.
I join you guys after this. We all die.
Yeah, I'm gonna play PG after this. I wanna get... I need to do that money glitch. Shit.
Hey, it's that green shit.
Oh, my screen's get blurry. You wanna try passing through it?
Wow, you guys are glitchers. You guys are doing the money glitch. I don't have 5 million.
Man, you guys should play some Outlast. Outlast is way scarier than this shit.
John! Let's find these already!
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know, I'm just playing in circles right now, I think. This thing forever.
But you already know. No. Nope.
4.5.
Yes.
Logic, you fucking lead now, dude. All we do is fucking lead. God damn it,
You're
we're
not
back
leading.
here again. I was leaving earlier.
My god, what's up with these freaking Asian boy ancestors in this building? Wait, there's a front way door. I'm gonna go straight. I'm not
We
gonna
never went straight, huh?
go straight. Yeah, but let's get making turns. We'll go straight forever.
Oh, but if you're going straight then, we're gonna go straight.
Going straight, yeah. Is there a way to look at the map?
Nah, I wish. All you can do is press start and resume game or exit.
Fuck. I'll say, I just see like a map and see how far I went.
I wish it was that easy.
What the fuck?
There's the fucking pots again, so we're going back, Amanda. The pots?
Let's go this way.
Yeah, see? Fucking in a big circle again.
This time go left. Let's keep going straight that way. Yeah, keep going in a circle, that's fine. Stop getting fucking tired. Hi.
Hello. Bye, goodbye. Fuck, Keisha.
Bye.
Ciao, Keisha, no.
Johnny's right behind us.
Really
No,
now?
he ain't.
Hi. Sorry, my stomach's growling.
Oh.
God damn it. Okay, let's go left.
Okay, let's go left, yeah. Went in where?
Wait, what the hell? Oh, so what the fuck happened to my flashlight? It was all dead.
I'm busy at 6. Are we gonna get bowl haircuts after?
Yeah, just keep going straight. I think we're on a good path.
Probably.
Wait,
I can't wait till, like, in the end where we can see, like, what our footsteps
I
be.
hear
I hear one.
As she went.
I hear one. Go right. Go right.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, it's me one in here. Oh, I see it. Woo!
Keep going straight. Fuck this path. We're going straight still.
This way. Oh, really now?
God damn it.
Yeah, tomorrow I go to the college. 2 days I go to the DMV. And then Saturday I'm out of here and I won't be back till the 22nd.
Why?
I'm going to Vegas.
What the fuck? When? The 22nd?
The 12th and I'm coming back the 22nd.
Oh. I'm going to Vegas too, like the 26th or so, or something. 25th.
Wow. Yeah, you know, Asian boy, he said he was gonna go when I was gonna go, and I told him if I ever saw him, I was gonna take my camera out, punch him in the face, and then run away screaming toxic prism, and Bill said if I do that, I'm gonna show him the video.
Dude, that would be so cool.
But he said he's not going till the end of July, so I was like, ah.
Oh, you might go when I go.
You have to fulfill the prophecy.
I will.
Asian
look
boy.
for an Asian kid.
Asian boy. David says he'll go to Vegas when you're going to Vegas. Aren't you going to Vegas like in the end of July? That's when he said he's going. Wait, I gotta check the...
You would have heard. Oh, I found it.
And let's continue going straight here. Okay, we're going this way.